This week we had good progress on the AC vents. We have one here in the guest room. We have this one in the living room that we still have to see if that's the final one or not. We finished the tile on the guest bathroom. With the niche, we rescued the original floor of the bathrooms of this house. So we also have the register for return air here in the master bedroom. We're missing the register on the studio, but we did good progress on the floor, the master bathroom, the curb, and also this work here for the shower pan. Next week we're gonna continue on the tile and the AC work. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.